Hey guys, this is Wanda back with another quick tip. If you've been wondering how you can create an Canva template and easily share it to sell it on Etsy, Payhip, or your website, here's how you can do it. Once you've created your template, what you want to do is simply go up here to the share link. You want to click on this button area here that says template link. Once you do that, it's going to generate a link for you. And once that link is generated, it'll tell you that anybody who has access to the template can use it, but you won't necessarily know who has it, but this will give your customer access to view the file. So I'm inside prompt guide that I'm setting up to sell. And so if I wanted to create a link so that a customer could access a template within here, I would just simply highlight the text, click on link, and paste that link that it generated in there and click done. Okay, when I click on that link from there, this is just going to open up a sample document, which is basically where I keep all my mockup files. And so what your customer will see something like this, which tells them that you shared a template with them. And in order for them to utilize it, they'll simply just need to hit this purple edit template. Now you see this. No, I'm sorry. They'll just simply need to click on this use template for new design. They won't see edit template. The reason why I'm seeing edit template is because I'm currently logged into my own Canva account, but your client will only see use this template for a new design. And once they do that, that'll put your template into their own Canva account, and you don't have to worry about it messing up your master template. Okay, I hope this quick tip was helpful. Thanks and have a great day.